welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's your girl. So I am back today just with a quick little review. Honestly, it is my first time ever shopping at Aldo. I know I'm probably mad late. I feel like when I was in high school, people was really on the whole Aldo thing, but I don't know, I just never was on it. So here we are today. I actually kind of found out after I saw this bag online and did like research just to see what other people were saying about the bag. It seems kind of popular. So anyways, I ain't gonna take all day to get into it. I was looking in the mirror, so I'm probably gonna get up, but yeah, I just wanted to get down so we could be here. But so the bag that I got, let me get it. I keep wanting to say Oswald. It's Greenwald. That is the name of this bag, and I love her so far. On the back, Aldo. So as of right now on the site, they have this in white, and then you can get a regular black one, but I chose to get this shiny black one. So here we are. I just needed an everyday bag. Like, I didn't have no everyday bag. I am here for the all black hardware. Like, honestly and truly speaking, sometimes when a bag has silver or gold hardware, that still determines what you can wear it with. Because if you got on silver or gold accessories, you're not going to want to mix and match your details. So I really appreciate the fact that this has the black hardware. I have not opened her yet. I did take her out the package, but I didn't open it. So let's see what we got. Yes, ma'am. I love that the inside is red. It's giving the girls looks without having to pay a big price. So I'm gonna take all of this off. So I like that it has on the inside a divider, so we can have some organization going on. And it also has two little pockets. We love that. And it has, I love when bags have this little zipper right here. But let me see if I can, I believe you can wear it as like a shoulder bag and a crossbody. So you can shorten the chain. There we go. And this is the tag also. Aldo. Yeah, it says Greenwald. Anyway, so you do it like this. I love this. I actually haven't worn any bags as a shoulder bag, but I will wear this one as a shoulder bag. Excuse me, as well as turn it back into a crossbody. And she got some weight to her. She's got some weight to her, but it's not like too heavy. I feel like this is a perfect size though. It's like a medium size. It's not small. I have a lot of small bags, and I got really tired of that. Like, what are we gonna do? What am I supposed to do with this? Like, it's cute, but nothing fits inside. I can't. But yes, y'all know this is the no gatekeeping zone. So all the information is gonna be in the description and on the screen. They offer afterpay, so you can make payments if you need to. period. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this because this is my very first time shopping with Aldo period ever in life. And I am in love with this bag. So yes, this is this is her. And if you have this bag, let me know what your experience was. I feel like it's gonna last a long time. It just feels very good. It looks sturdy, it feels sturdy, so I feel like it's sturdy. Yeah, I don't got too much else to say. Honestly, you probably have to wipe it down though, because I see that I'm already getting fingerprints on the back of it. I don't know if the camera picking it up, but yeah, I can see that I'm gonna have to wipe this down, keep her clean. And yes, that is pretty much the bag, y'all. So 10 out of 10 recommend. I think if you a girly girl and you into bags, especially medium size or crossbody / shoulder bags, you should definitely go get you one. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I will see y'all in the next video. By the way, if you like my necklace, this custom name necklace is from the Chic Women on Instagram. They are Black owned, and I do have a discount code for y'all, so y'all can use my code to get money off of your purchase. Definitely have a good variety of jewelry, sustainable and cute. This top one is from the Chic Women, so y'all go check that out and make sure you use my discount code when you shop as well. And I will see y'all in the next video.